בסוף הכל יסתדר, בסוף הכל יסתדר.
Today we reach out to you to extend a helping hand to our friends in Israel, a nation that has faced immense challenges but continues to rise above them with determination and hope.
כן, על הכל יתגבר. כבר חצי מלא ויש מי שימלא את החסר.
We are not just rebuilding structures, we're rebuilding life and fostering hope.
הבוקר יעלה, השמש תזרח, הציפורים כמו בסיפורים.
All proceeds directly benefit to aid the recovery efforts in
היופי
Israel.
יתגלם בין כך ובין כך.
We have an opportunity to make a difference, to contribute to the recovery efforts, and support the people of Israel as they rebuild and move forward, stronger than ever before.
את היחידה המיוחדת, לעולם תהיי לי המולדת.
Visit our website to learn more about how you can contribute, donate, or participate in this vital fundraising event.